Human civilization has come a long way since the past 200,000 years, but it has only been around for a mere 0.0015% of the 13.7 billion year age of the universe. However, we have done so much in the time period that is pretty much just a second on the cosmic scale. And even though humanity's accomplishments are outstanding, in our universe, we might be rather insignificant. What if we met another alien civilization so much more advanced than us? In 1964, an astronomer named Nikoli Kardashev introduced a hypothetical scale that could be used to measure a civilization's level of technological advancement. It is known as the Kardeshev scale. Type 1, also known as a planetary civilization, is the smallest of the original types. This civilization is most similar to humanity. This type of civilization is capable of using all of the energy from its host star. In our case, that's the sun. This amount of energy would amount to 7 by 10 to the 17 watts. But us humans are an extended type of civilization, type 0. When this scale was introduced, astronomer Carl Sagan introduced this formula to define a hypothetical civilization's Kardashev rating. To be a type 0 civilization, it must control at least 1 megawatt or 1 million watts, which is tiny compared to the amount of energy we use. In 2015, we consumed 17.35 terawatts of energy, which makes our civilization a 0.72. Michio Kaku, an amazing theoretical physicist, suggests that humans might obtain type 1 status in the next 100 to 200 years, type 2 status in maybe the next 1,000 years, and type 3 status in the next 100,000 to 1 million years, which shows just how much time it takes to move to the next type of civilization. Although heading towards becoming a type 1 civilization in the next 100 years or so is a giant step for humans. As a type 1 civilization, we would have full control over our planet. We could control the weather or change the geological shape and makeup of our own planet, and so much more. However, even this amount of energy is very small compared to type 2. Type 2 civilization, aka a stellar civilization, can control the energy of its host star and transfer it through the entire solar system, having full control on the entire solar system. A way to harness energy for type 2 would be to seed a stellar mass. For example, feed a star into a black hole and collect the photons emitted by the accretion disk. How a civilization could do that, I have no idea. But this is still a source of energy. Again, even this much power would be extremely low compared to type 3. A type 3 civilization, or a galactic civilization, would have a scary amount of power. Type 3 can control the energy of its whole host galaxy. This sort of power kind of goes into science fiction. This civilization would work a lot like type 2, by controlling the energy of stars, planets, and so on. But instead of 1 or 2 stars, this will control billions. This type would use solar systems as building blocks, constructing and deconstructing solar systems to make their empire. The galaxy would pretty much be their playground, and galactic real estate would become reality. Even people could buy entire planets, stars, and even solar systems. Although this galaxy might not even be noticeable to us outside the galaxy. We might see a hole in the galaxy, or if they had colonized the whole galaxy, we would see nothing. There is a place in the universe known as the Great Void, which is 330 million light years in diameter. This void should contain about 2,000 galaxies, but so far there are only 60 discovered. Are there Type 3 civilizations controlling these galaxies? For all we know, there could be. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. And goodbye!